Welcome to Meow Money, where we turn tricky finance into fun, bite-sized tips. Let's dive in.
Compound interest is like having a kitten that naps. And every time it wakes up, it's a little bigger. Keep letting it nap, and one day you've got a full-grown tiger. That's the magic of compounding. Here's the deal. Interest doesn't just grow on your original money, it grows on the interest you've already earned. That's money having kittens, and those kittens having kittens too. Look at Warren Buffett. At age 50, he was worth around $300 million. Impressive, right? But the wild part is that over 90% of his wealth came after age 65. By his 80s, his fortune snowballed past $80 billion. Not because he suddenly found a new secret, just because he let compounding do its work for decades. So what does this mean for you? Start early. Even small amounts can grow huge with time. Don't touch too often. Pulling money out interrupts the nap and shrinks the snowball. Stay consistent. Regular contributions keep feeding the compounding machine. Compound interest is time's best-kept secret. The longer your money naps, the stronger it grows. So let your savings purr quietly in the background. Future you will thank you with a roar.
Thanks for watching Meow Money. Like and subscribe to keep your savings purring. See you next time.